Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to buy Robux in Roblox. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, whether you're using phone or a computer right here, if you have the Roblox application on your computer, it's good. If you have the browser version, it's fine as well. Just go ahead and log into roblox.com. Okay. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, just go to the top right and click on the Roblox icon. Do the same with your phone app, okay? Right here, just click on it, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, in here you'll have a list of available Robux, okay? For example, the cheapest one here is at the very bottom, okay? If you're on mobile and console, the price is available right here in the left panel. If you're using a computer, or it could be a web and or a gift card, you can go ahead and select from this pane, okay? You won't be able to select if it's grayed out. So for example, this one right here, it says 500 plus 100 more. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this option and then go ahead and choose the payment method, okay? As you can see here, for $5, I will get 500 Robux. So the payment method could be credit or debit card, PayPal, or if you have a Roblox card, you can go ahead and redeem that from here. Also, you have other options, and depending on where you live or depending on your region, you'll have another payment options from here. For example, from the Philippines, we have UnionPay, GCash, GrabPay, and Amazon Pay available. Okay, say for example, I'm going to go ahead and choose a GCash. You can go ahead and enter an email for receipt. If not, just go ahead and hit on continue. And in here, you can go ahead and scan this QR code from your GCash app. And once done, just wait for the process to finish. It will just automatically process your transaction. And just do keep in mind that this QR code will expire and there will be a time allocated in here. And once you have scanned this QR code, you can now go ahead and click on show payment status. And it says here, as you can see, awaiting payment submission. So just go ahead and scan the QR code. And once that's done, you'll receive a pop-up message that will say that thank you for purchasing Robux. And once done, you can go ahead and go to the top right once more, and your balance should be updated in here. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.